Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Friday, January 2nd. Merry New Year. Well, we saw some profit taking on Wednesday before the New Year's session. S&P was down 24 points, down about 1%. 2052.5 was the close. The gain for the year ended up being a solid 12%. The Dow was down 189, 17,752, so no longer 18,000. But an 8% gain on a year, which is pretty excellent considering they were negative. Dow futures were negative back in October. The Nasdaq led the way on the year, up 18%. The losses on Wednesday down 50 points at 42.33. The big story was a surge in the dollar. The dollar had the best year that we've seen in a decade, closed at 90.65, up 36, new highs in the dollar index. That knocked the euro currency down, 121.07, down 55. Can't find a bottom there. Bonds had a bit of a bounce, not as much as the sell-off that we saw in stocks, up 9 ticks at 144.18. The story again has been crude oil. Crude oil made some new 5.5-year lows, 53.27, down 85. The low of the session, new lows, 52.44. Also getting beat up was gold. Gold was down $16 at 11.84 with that strong dollar, obviously. So after the profit-taking round on Wednesday to end the trading year and a start of 2015, where do things stand? Well, we're up 7.5 points. We're getting back nearly half of our losses from Wednesday. We're at 1960 right now in the E-mini S&P, up 67 in the Dow future, 17,819, and up 16 right now in 42.49 in the Nasdaq 100 futures. The dollar continues to surge, up another 41 ticks at 91.06. That's pushing the euro down, 120.51, down 56. Now we're coming back down to that 120 support level. Bonds are off 12 ticks, giving up the gains from Wednesday, 144.06. The yield had been pushed up a little bit. Right now we're at 277 in the 30-year and 220 in the 10-year note. Crude oil down 50 cents at 52.75. Again, the lows on Wednesday were 52.44, so pressing on that level one more time. And gold is backing off $3 at 11.81. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours ago before the cash stock market opened, we're getting back some of the losses from Wednesday, profit-taking losses. We're up 7.5 in the S&P, up 67 in the Dow, and up 16 in the Nasdaq futures. I will see you early Monday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.